I forgot I was supposed to show y'all, like staring at it. Look at that. I was polishing my fingers and then I remembered I wanted to swatch these for you guys, which is why that one doesn't have any color on it, because I'm going to do that in a second. But this is the Gelish collection by Little Mermaid, and you can see you get yellow, peach, 2 pinks, a reddish orange, and a blue. I swear by Gelish. Now, I have tried all the less expensive brands. For me, I'm not a fan of doing my nails, so anything that I can use where I don't have to touch it or worry about it, that's what I'm going to do. And I've tried them all. Gelish is the one that I always come back to. I'm not being paid by Gelish to do this review or say this. I'm just telling you as someone who has to have their nails done all the time, lasts the longest, it stays shiny the whole time. Like how this looks right now, this is how it will look in 2 weeks. I will literally have to take a file and that said, and I'm gonna do a separate review on this. You have to use their, it's called like the Gelish 4 Essential Kit. Structure is amazing. I'll do a separate review, but that's not this. It's the pH bond, which helps the gel to stick to your nail. It helps foundation, amazing. And then this top coat, and then there's another one that's like Nourish, and you paint it on your cuticles when you're done. I always use this when I'm using the Gelish, and that's how I get those results. All right, so let's swatch the product. That's what it looks like. And the one that's on my actual nails right now is this color right here, but I just went over it with like a gold. And I honestly only have 1 coat while I'm doing this. I only have 1 coat of that on and then just a tiny coat of glitter over it. So it's very opaque, at least that red one is. Let's see about you, my friend. But that's what the yellow looks like. What do you guys think? Do we like it? Do we love it? Oh, it makes me sad to even waste this amount of polish because I am obsessed with Gelish polishes. Okay, this is like the peachy colored one. Oh, this one's pretty. Oh, yes. Putting it on kind of thick because I'm not gonna cure it and then do multiple coats. I'm gonna show you guys what it might look like, you know. Okay, she is beautiful. I mean, I like it. Oh, look at that color. Oh, that's beautiful. Like if you were tan. And then this sort of like lavendery pink. Oh, it's like actually pretty purple in here. Okay. It's good because I was afraid I was gonna have like 2 pinks, but all right. Well, I'm getting excited for all the pretty nails I'm gonna have this spring. The color is actually really pretty. But look, oh, if baby pink and light purple had a baby. These 2 are my top favorites so far. Sorry, my friend, you have to go. Girl's probably like, why are you doing this to me? All right, and then this, I don't even know what color you would call this, magenta. Yeah, this is like a true like 1980s pink. I was alive then, I can say that. Oh, okay. Sorry, I forgot I was supposed to show y'all, like staring at it. Look at that. Ooh. Ah. I'm not usually a fan of like a magenta kind of a color, but that's actually not my favorite, but very pretty. Definitely will wear. And like you could do designs, like do this under and then do polka dots of this. Possibilities. All right, and then this is what I already have on my nails, but I want to show it to you like without the glitter that I put on top. Because if I'm being totally honest, I thought this was red because I wanted to do my nails like reddish for the upcoming, you know, Valentine's Day sitch. And then when I painted my nail, it was like, I guess now that I'm looking at this color under the light, it is kind of the bottle's orange and not red. So it is actually, I mean, these are very true to color. You can see, it's like this, like a bougie orange, if you will. Would have been so great for Thanksgiving. Oh well. Went over it with like this glittery gold color, also by Gelish. I don't know what it's called, but I just did 1 coat on top. This was not my favorite color. Now, if I had found it during Thanksgiving, it would have been, but because like we're moving out of that season, trying to make it more like festive-y looking, like a burnt orange almost. Yeah, I'm gonna be living in this in next November. Beautiful. And then the last one is this blue one, which my daughter was like, ooh, she wanted to try. I was like, oh, but I don't know, we'll see. Let's see how it looks. Ooh, that is, it's got like little glitter in it. How cute. You're like, we could see if you'd put it on your nail and stop talking. Okay, relax. I'm doing it. Oh, hold on. Okay. Like if any of y'all are my age that are watching this, but I think it was in like the early 90s maybe, there was this Champion jacket that was like super popular and it was this color blue. That's what this is reminding me of. Now again, I'm not a fan of blue nails, but this is actually really pretty. Look, like it has the little glimmer and yeah, I would definitely use that. I'm shocked. I was thinking like, no way I would like that. You buy sets of nail polish that have 30 different colors for a certain price, you sure can, but then you're gonna be doing your nails more often. And I mean, I have tried to mix it up every which way where I use this stuff and then the less expensive polish and see if it holds up. or holds up the same, as it will start to pull up just at the very edges. Great, because that helps me to kind of take it off, and it soaks off like a dream. It's acetone gel, you know, like gel nail soak, and just off, and then I'll use the like a Bauer nail drill, which I'll put you right here. I love that thing. Just kind of go around my cuticles to smooth everything back out. Guys, Gelish is where it's at. It's definitely more expensive, but it is worth the money. No question about it. Gelish is #1 for me. So I hope you guys found that helpful, and I'll do a review on those other two, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.